Hell yeah. Before and after. Oh, the most important part. Stickers! New box. Maybe I shouldn't throw it like that. Let's open it.
Stop it.
What is it? What is it? Feels very light. Okay. Sealed for your freshness. Come on. And it is. Oh yes. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, there it is. This AEM CD5. Ooh. Forged. Really pretty. Cables. This is power. This is to the can. GPS. Cable conexiones. And extra USB. Alright. Well, let's take the dash off and get her installed. Okay. So what we gotta do is we gotta take this off so we can mount it to that, and probably you want to connect the computer first. And let's do that. Make sure everything works. Okay, I got the PC up. This we're gonna do is we're gonna connect the cable and then connect that cable to that cable, make sure everything's running, and then plug it into the PC, make sure it boots up. Nicely done. Okay, that's on there. Oh, look at this. This is really nice. Really nice. Alright. That's plugged in. Let's plug it into the PC now. Now this is cool. It's got a little setup where you can drill it a hole in the dash and just have it there and just plug in your USB and then have a, plug and play port. I gotta find a spot for it on the dash. Alright, we're gonna plug it into the PC, see what it does. Would I do anything? False alarm. Alright. We'll cut that out. This piece, it's specifically for the CD5. Really dope. Really nice. So I'm gonna pop this in. Alright, we got it mounted. It's pretty flush. Now we gotta run all the wires and mount the bezel. So this is where we are now. I found the loom, so I put that on there to kind of keep everything clean. I need to keep it all together and install it. Let's go. So I got the loom all taped up, and Another thing that I did here, this little plug back here comes with a cap to cover up the USB plug. So since I wasn't going to use it back here, I took it off, put it on the outside plug that's going to be facing out the dash, so that way this plug is just not open and exposed. When you need it, you can just pop it open and use it. When you're done, you pop it back on, it's protected. Little tip. Well, it's in there. You got it nice and mounted. Just gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the USB button. Probably right here. And I gotta fish these cables back into this out back there. So we're pretty much mounted. Gonna be a bit until I can wire everything up and connect it. I still have another cable that I need to buy for the crossover from the CAN to OBD2, and then I can just plug it in and it should read everything. So to the next one. So I've got an idea here. I think I'm gonna just run power to my battery pack here and see what happens. Let's see what we get. Hell yeah. Oh. Well, I think I'm gonna have to try to run some power tonight. That's nice. That's nice. Well, the true hearts are on. Interesting install from the bottom, just to account for the lowering of the vehicle. But yeah, this is gives you a lot of range. One thing you have to do is you have to load the suspension up to kind of get this pin in and set it into place. So yeah, now let's put the wheels on and see how much adjustment we need. On we go. Another good day in the mailbox. We've got the PCI camber arm, spherical, to continue the theme of the car. Since we have the entire front end spherical, I'm going to go ahead and continue that in the back end. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and install these. Let's get on it. So this piece here, pretty nifty how they did this. Goes in so smooth. ASMR people. Boom, one side. It's hard to do this with one hand. Boom. There it is. Pop in the other one. There we have it. Let's get them on. Okay, we got the tank filled up. Got the jack ready. We're gonna jack her up and get the tire off and get this rear camber installed. Let's do it. Yeah. That's the best thing I bought on Amazon. Alright, it's up. Let's get the wheel off. It's so hard to do with one hand. So yeah, it's a good thing we're changing this out because holy shit. Let's get this off. Wow, that's gross. Right, so this is what we're working with here. Before, after. And that's it, it's on. Literally the easiest install other than an air filter. And I'm not gonna mess too much with trying to align it. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it to the shop and just get them all aligned since I just replaced everything. So yeah, put the wheel back on. We're all set. Let's get it down. All right, wheels back on. Let's let it down. All right, let's let it down now. All right, seems fine. What's in the box? What's in the box? What's in the box? I wish it was a turbo kit, but no, it's exhaust for the Civic. Let's get her done. Okay, so looks like we have, yeah, empty box, awesome. Whoa, that is a 3-inch gasket right there. We've got hardware. Oh, the most important part. Stickers! Hell yeah. Gonna have to put that somewhere under the hood. Empty box, dope. Empty box, dope. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get this out. Hold on a second. Well, there it is. God, it's so pretty. Look at that. 3020. And the cool thing is, I noticed that a lot of these are, I don't know if they're serial number, but they definitely have some kind of engraving. Where was it that I saw it? I saw it on one of these. But man, I am excited. Oh, here it is. It's got some kind of numbers on them. 09 022 226. Look at that. All right, let's get this thing installed. So the exhaust is installed. It looks great. Beautiful. 3-inch piping. all the way down. But ran into a slight problem, as per usual. This section here, it's a bit of a gap. It's about 4 inches here. I'm gonna email 1320, see what they say. I'm running a K-tune ram horn exhaust, but there's quite a bit of a gap, so I gotta see what's going on there. If not, I may have to find some kind of an alternative to plug it in, or modify it and maybe cut both ends off and put like a V-band clamp or something. So let's see what we do. Stay tuned.